In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slide numbers in Google Slides. Understanding how to do this is a great step toward making your presentations more organized and professional. It's a simple process, but one that can make a big difference, especially if you're dealing with a lengthy presentation. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Google Slides presentation where you want to add these numbers. It's important that you already have your presentation ready because we'll be directly modifying it. If you haven't created your slides yet, take a moment to set that up before we start. Now, once you have your presentation open, the key action is to navigate to the Insert menu. If you look at the top toolbar, you'll find it pretty easily. Hover over Insert and click on it. A drop-down menu appears showing a variety of options. Here, we want to focus on the option labeled Slide Numbers. This is the feature that will allow us to add those all-important numbers to our slides. Upon selecting Slide Numbers, you'll see some options that let you customize exactly how and where you'd like those numbers to appear. One of the more prominent choices here is whether to apply slide numbers to all of your slides or just a few selected ones. If your presentation is straightforward, you might opt to apply them to all. However, if there's a special section that you feel doesn't need numbering, let's say a disclaimer or a dedication page, you can select specific slides instead. Additionally, you have the option to skip the title slide. Oftentimes, a title slide serves as the face of your presentation. Numbering it might not be necessary. After you've decided which slides will carry numbers, what you need to do next is click the Apply button. This step is crucial as it confirms your selection and adds those numbers onto your slides. With just this click, Google Slides will automatically place slide numbers in a consistent spot across your selected slides. Your task doesn't end with just adding numbers. To personalize the appearance or adjust how slide numbers fit into your design, you can edit the master slide. The master slide can be accessed from the View menu under Master. Here, any adjustments to fonts, sizes, or colors can give your numbers a look that matches the rest of your presentation design. Spend some time here if you want those numbers to be both functional and visually appealing. That wraps up our tutorial on adding slide numbers in Google Slides. Once you've followed these steps, your presentation will not only look polished, but will also provide clarity to your audience, making it easier for them to follow along. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your future presentations.